a personal note, we love your country very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wonderful, madam. Thank you very much for coming. Good bilateral relations between
I'd like to emphasize that the Netherlands is in the top 3 export markets for Kenya. As you know, we import a broad range of high-quality agricultural products from Kenya, especially Kenyan flowers and horticultural products are all well known in the Netherlands. And besides agriculture, we see many opportunities for economic cooperation in logistics, life science and health, in water, renewable energy, and in e-mobility.
The Netherlands and Kenya share a long history of strong economic relations. We look for equal and sustainable trade relations with Africa, not just for our own earning capacity, but more importantly to create impact and broad prosperity in Africa. Within this strategy, Kenya is one of the countries we take a specific interest in with all the opportunities it offers. We have identified that more specifically, cooperation in the field of agri and horticulture, life health and sciences, and water are good areas of common interest.
In supporting your investments, the government of Kenya has put in place both fiscal and non-fiscal incentives that include, among many things, capital deductions on industrial building, I'm sure you're aware of this, farm work, wear and tear, and investment. Others are in the special economic zones and export economic zones. A specific intervention we have put in this budget is one thing that has always been problematic to our investors, and that is VAT tax returns. It's always been problematic. The decision we have made is that any VAT tax returns that are due and verified, if they are not paid within 6 months by our Kenya Revenue Authority, you are free to deduct. So we have taken the liberty from KRA to pay when they want. We have told them they must pay within 6 months, and if they don't pay, you're free to deduct from your other tax liabilities.